Take, daughter. Keep it. It will help you. But why, Mom? What was the need for this? Hey, of course there will be a need, daughter. The one you married, he's no more. Now who will take the responsibility of you and Danish? Who will manage household expense? If you had married to the boy we chose, so you would have so much money that you wouldn't have to face this day. But you were so much in love. See, what did you get after marrying him? Mom, why are you saying like that? Sanju used to love me a lot, and I don't need this money. Keep them with you. The one who has left, you're fighting with me for him, huh? And I'm helping you. You're refusing that as well. Enough, Mom. No one can control life and death. All of a sudden, road accident happened and he's no more. What is his fault in this? Yes, I agree that everything is in God's hand. Look, you are still young and Danish is also a kid. You can get married again. Look, you are educated. It won't be too difficult for you. And all these things works. Mom, it hasn't even been 2 months since Sanju left and you are asking me to get married again? If you are here to tell me all this, so please go. I don't want to do anything from which I'll hurt Sanju. And about my kid, I will raise him. But how? Here you don't have even your own home. The home in which you are living, it's of rental. From where you will get so much money and from where you will pay the school fee of your kid. Hey, what has Sanju left for you? Mom, Sanju used to care about us a lot.
Riya, come fast, man.
Yes, I'm coming, yaar. What happened? Just have some patience and take this, your lunch.
You keep it here and you sign here.
What is it?
This will take care of you when I'll not be here.
Where are you going?
Riya, you can't trust life easily, no? I'm here today, but not tomorrow. God forbid if something happens to me in the future. There should be someone who will take care of you and our son, no?
Listen, don't talk rubbish.
It's not nonsense, it's serious. I'm securing my family's future. If I'll not alive in future, then this coverage of 1 crore will give you and Danish a good life. You won't depend on anyone. You are my nominee and you please sign this quickly.
I have signed them, but you're not going anywhere.
I am not going anywhere, man. Do you think I am going tomorrow? No. I can go to the office, right?
Go now.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Will you still say this, that I married a wrong guy? No, daughter. Forgive me. I think I made a mistake understanding Sanju. Maybe he was not earning lakhs, but he was thinking so much for you. No one can think like that. Yes, Mom. Okay then, I will leave. I thought you might need this money. But this money is not that much in front of that what Sanju has arranged for you. If you need me, so tell me.
There is no guarantee of life. But if you want that your own and their dreams to remain safe even after you're gone, so take responsibility for it yourself. Choose Axis Max Life Term Insurance today. Its premium starts from just 578 per month. And after today, it gives coverage of 1 crore to your family. You can easily trust this. Its claim settlement ratio is 99.70%. So now by clicking on the link given in the caption, choose Axis Max Life Term Plan and get a 15% discount on your first year's premium. Don't delay it, because we can't trust the life.